Right, you guys, welcome to video 4 in this case study series on affiliate marketing for beginners. Tutorial 2018. We're working on getting fast results, whether it's leads or it's our first few sales using the affiliate marketing business model. So if you haven't already, make sure that you go back to video 1 and I will link that up in the description below. But this whole campaign is built around showing newbies and even struggling veteran marketers how to make their first few sales on the internet or even scale up if you do have experience. So with that being said, if you're brand new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe by slamming that red subscribe button below. Make sure you like this video if you're excited for the content. And, let's go ahead and dive straight into it. So 2 things we're going to cover today. Number 1, we're going to start adding signatures to our forum profiles that will allow it. Some forums won't allow you to put a signature inside of your profile until you've contributed, a certain amount of posts. Now, a signature is just simply a line of text that appears after every single post within the forum. And you'll see that on some signatures, you can actually put a link in those signatures. Some signatures you actually can't. So the strategy that we're going to use for the forums that we can't actually use a link signature is we want to get people to personally reach out to us because we're giving so much value. On the forum, we want people to come to our profile, click over to our profile, and then find more information about us, and then click over to Facebook or one of our other social media platforms where we can then connect with them further and, have them kind of be closer to us so we can, further that relationship building process. So the 2 steps, number 1, we're going to add a signature to the forum profiles that will allow it. Step number 2, we're going to start contributing and posting value daily inside of the forums and the Facebook groups. Now you guys have to realize that this is a marathon. It's not a race. Okay. I called this the fast results campaign, and I wanted to be realistic about it because so many gurus out there make you think that fast results can occur in 24 hours. Can they? Yes. But for a newbie, it's very hard to be in the mental state where you understand sales and marketing and you have the experience to manifest, commissions on demand in your business. It just doesn't happen that way. So the fastest way to get results on the internet is to leverage either free traffic or paid traffic. Free traffic if you have an audience already, and paid traffic if you understand the game of paid traffic. So as a newbie, fast results, they can exist. And when we talk about fast results, we're not talking about making a bunch of money overnight or in a week or 2 weeks. When I talk about fast results, I'm talking about making your first few sales, hopefully in the next couple of weeks. And if we don't, that's okay because we understand the game. We understand that we need to build a brand first. We understand that we need to build an audience. We need to show people that we know what we're talking about and we're not going anywhere. We need to show them that we're, not some paid actors, we're real people out there that have real value to provide to the marketplace. So you're going to see throughout this process, you guys, it might take, a day. It might take a couple of weeks. It might take a couple of months for me to generate my first few sales from this case study. So you've got to bear with me. At this point, we're really going to start just giving value in each of these groups, Facebook and within the forums. And intermittently throughout this case study, I will be posting videos, not every single day at this point now, but I'm going to be updating you guys on my activity in the forums, my approach, my strategy, how I'm posting, and we'll cover a little bit about that today. But the whole goal for the next month is to really just, build a presence on each of these forums. We're kind of going to be the new guy on the block. And if you guys, have a good, a large group of friends and you have a new guy that comes in your group of friends that you've been around for, 20, 30 years, you're like, who's this guy? You're kind of like, is this guy a cool guy? Should we accept him into the group or not? Can he add value? So we're going to kind of be that new guy on the block, and we want to get people to like us first. So with that being said, what we're going to do is we're going to add some signatures to the profiles that will allow us. And as you can see, of course, this is our capture page that we created in one of the previous videos. And so we want our forum signature to be congruent with our capture page. Now the goal here is to get the click, right? We want people to read our post, see the value in our signature. We want to entice them to click. So we want to pique curiosity, and we want them to, click that link for more information. So the idea with our signature is to think like, what can I put here that will get people to click? Okay. So the first form right here is golf. I believe it's WRX right here. And it actually will allow me to add a signature without making any post quite yet. So what I did is I made this before I started shooting this video to make this, to kind of speed up the process here. But I put check out my free video that will help you add 30 plus yards in 30 days or less. So it's like, wow, I want to see this video. I can add 30 yards, to my drive, to my shots if I watch this video. So I think that really will entice people to click on my signature. So I'm really putting like the benefit right here. Here's the benefit if you click. Adding 30 yards in 30 days or less. And understanding humans, they want instant gratification. And of course, this isn't guaranteed. That's why I put that it will help you add 30 plus yards in 30 days or less. Not that it's guaranteed that's going to happen. So, using, sort of a play on words, I guess you could say, sort of like taking the truth, stretching it a little bit, but that's marketing. So what we're going to do is we're going to highlight this, and we're going to add a link if we can, and it's going to be joshswingsystem.com. So I'm going to put, if it'll work with www, joshswingsystem.com. Okay, so I think that'll work. www.joshswingsystem.com. I'm going to go OK. And then I want to copy this for my other signatures. Save changes. Boom, settings saved. So the signature's right there. If we click on it, make sure the link works. Yes, it does. So that's the first forum that we joined. The next forum was the sandtrap.com. And you can see here it says only members who have submitted 10 content items can change their signature. You need to make 10 more. So we probably need to make 10 posts within the forum before it's going to allow us to add a signature. So we will be making those posts. So here's the next forum, the Hacker's Paradise. We can edit the signature right here, but you'll notice it says no BB code or HTML allowed. So we can actually hyperlink in our signature. But what we can do is to get people to go over to our profile and check us out. So what we're going to do is I'm going to just paste what I put on that previous signature. And I'm going to change this up a little bit. I'm going to put, I help ordinary golfers add 30 plus yards to add 30 plus yards in 30 days or less. I think maybe we'll keep it at that. Save signature. Okay, let's make sure that it shows up, which it does. So I'm going to go over here and edit profile. And I'm going to be adding some stuff here. I'm not going to bore you guys with this. I'm going to add my homepage URL, which is my website here. So we'll add a few things. So joshswingsystem.com. Instagram, why not? Instagram.com/Josh Elder. And I'm going to put biography. Let's do a quick one. Long driver. Let's see, long. Let's see. Drive champion. In my mind. We'll put I drive for show and putt for dough. We'll put future. Why not? Future long drive champion. Drive for dough and putt. I drive for show and putt for dough. Passionate about everything sports. Let's see. Let's put passionate about everything golf. Golf. Let's see. Passionate about everything golf. We'll just leave it at that. Why not? Handicap is 7. Location. We'll put South Jordan, Utah. Golf. Internet. Affiliate marketing. Baseball. Let's see. Yeah, we'll just leave it at that. Occupation, online marketing consultant, Mel. Cool. Save changes here. Thanks for updating your profile. Cool. I think that's good for now. I can even add my Facebook profile here, which I'll actually do as well. Facebook.com/Josh C. Elder. I think that's correct here. And then we're going to copy that. And we're going to make sure that that works. Let me make sure my Instagram. And by the way, you guys, if you aren't following me on Instagram, make sure that you do. I will put the link to my Instagram below in the description. Show you guys a lot of cool behind the scenes stuff inside of my business. And I'm really starting to post daily too on Instagram. So you kind of learn a little bit more about me and my life, what I do outside of work, as well as, you know, inside of my affiliate marketing business. So I'd appreciate it if you guys could reach out to me and let me know that you enjoy my stuff if you do. If not, I'm always open to constructive criticism. Really appreciate that. So that's Instagram.com/Josh C. Elder. I'll put that in the description below. So I've added that here. Okay, we're good to go there. And that's it. So we've done that, and what we're going to be doing now is, for example, I'm on the forum page of the Hackers Paradise here, and you can see there's tons of people that are conversating about certain topics, certain issues, like this particular guy right here. He's looking for advice on how to deal with tennis or golf elbow. So what I would do is I would go in here, and I would read this, and then I would give him a reply here at the bottom. And I would typically probably make, I don't know, maybe 5 posts a day inside of each of these forums, just giving value to people, right? Because again, we're the new kid on the block. People want to see if we're like legitimate, if we're just like, you know, inside of the forum with the hidden agenda to make a quick sell or to earn, you know, to just get somebody's business real quickly. That's not what we want to do. When you're the new kid on the block, you've got to be strategic. So we're good with the forums now. Now what we want to do is we want to check the Facebook groups. And of course, we joined about 4 of them, as you can see right here. And it's the same thing, you guys. We're just going to give value. Some of these aren't going to allow us to just post links in here. So the goal is to get people to reach out to us personally through Messenger or friend request us, and then ask us for more information about, you know, what it is that we do. So the more value we give in here, the more relationships we're going to build. And then eventually on the back end, we can, you know, sell people into our product or opportunity. The mistake that most people make is when they join these groups, they just start spamming people with links. Have you ever scrolled on your Facebook news feed and you like see an ad and you're just turned off by it and you're like, I don't know who you are. You're just another person posting the same thing the same way. And it just, you know, you're just kind of put off by, you know, the ad. But if somebody actually had like a video ad or a post that just gave pure value, that said, hey, let me show you how to do XYZ, then what they're doing is they're solving your problem, showing you that they're an expert before they even ask you for any information. That's what I think people should be doing, instead of saying like, come onto my webinar, I'm going to teach this, this, and this. No, give value on the actual platform that your consumers are on. And then after you give a bunch of value there, then ask them to get on your webinar. But most people aren't doing that. They're just like, get on the webinar to receive the value. And then they know they're just going to be, the consumer knows they're just going to be sold to. So we've got to be very strategic. We're not looking for this sugar rush, like quick results, sells like in the next week. So my question is, would you rather make $200 today, or would you rather make $2,000 in a month? I would rather make $2,000 in a month. So that's the strategy that we're going with here. So we're really going to be focused on being here because we actually want to help people, and then sell on the back end once we build that audience and once people really like us, right? So that's what we're going to start doing in these groups. Every day I'm going to go into each of these groups, see how I can provide value, and just do that daily, whether it's, me on the golf course with a picture, and then, provide some value on how I improved my golf game that specific day, so on and so forth. So that's what we're going to be doing, you guys. It might be a little boring for the next few videos, but I'm going to be posting in here and within the forums and giving you guys an update, sort of maybe a weekly update. Maybe it'll be every few days, but we'll be sure to do that. So with that being said, we're just going to start posting until we start generating leads, and then, hopefully start generating sales. So this is realistic, you guys. This is actually how it's really done. This is how it's really done. And I did this for, 2 years before I really started gaining some massive momentum. You guys have to be willing to go out there and just give. Don't expect anything in return. Do it because you love it, because you love giving, because you enjoy helping people break through. Whether you're in it for the money or in it to actually help people from a mile away. And that's probably why a lot of you guys are struggling with ClickBank and affiliate marketing in general, is you're looking for quick results. You're in this for the wrong reasons. Get in this to help and serve. So that said, if you enjoyed this video, like this video, subscribe to this channel. And if you want to learn how to build an affiliate marketing business and watch over my shoulder, literally build an affiliate marketing business from scratch, from day one, and then build off of that, and build a huge campaign from start to finish. I've got an Inner Circle Mastermind that is month to month, where I show you, number one, how to build an audience. Number two, how to start monetizing. Number three, how to do paid traffic, and all that cool stuff in between. If you're interested in it, check out the links in the resources section below for my Inner Circle program. And if you want to check out my top recommended affiliate marketing system as well, that'll be in the links in the description below. And I appreciate you guys. Take care, have a great day, and we'll see you soon.